Hello everybody, let's try another Eiken準2級 interview practice test. I'm going to use this 面接の流れ interview flow sheet from my website. The link is below. Let's try. Start from knock knock knock, may I come in? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, please come in. Can I have your card, please? Thank you. Please have a seat. Good afternoon. My name is Nick Ramsey. May I have your name, please? This is the grade pre-2 test, okay? How are you today? Good. Okay, let's start the test. This is your card. First, please read the passage silently for 20 seconds. Now please read it aloud. Now I'll ask you 5 questions. According to the passage, how do people show respect for their communities? Now, please look at the people in picture A. They are doing different things. Tell me as much as you can about what they are doing. Now, look at the man in picture B. Please describe the situation. Now, please turn the card over and put it down. Do you think children should do more cleaning at home? These days, there are many options for healthy eating. Do you eat a lot of healthy food? Please tell me more. All right, this is the end of the test. Could I have the card back, please? Thank you. That's all. You may go now. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Okay, we did it. We did it. Well done. Well done. All right, good job, everybody. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and maybe click that subscribe button. You would make my day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.